Hi friends. In this video we know what is swap file, swap partition, how to temporarily delete the swap file. I use Fedora 34. When the installation, it asks me to create a swap partition and it creates one. So, we just skip the create a swap file or swap partition. Okay, we just go, what is swap file or swap partition? You know your system have RAM, it's accessing the storage for your tasks or system tasks. If you have low RAM, when you try to run long program or big software it take long time, maybe your system get hangs. In this like cases, you need some like booster for your RAM. It's swap. When your RAM run out off or overload, this swap can take some work and do it as a RAM. This swap may file or partition in your hard disk. But, one problem is swap is slower than RAM. Also it takes some more energy to run. So, you try to avoid as possible. Now, come to the point. I have swap 1, but it always run backgrounds and now I don't need it. So, I decide to disable it. Notice I don't delete it, because, maybe I need it in future. In this video, I just give two possible ways to disable it. First one is swapiness. The meaning of swapiness is, instruct to kernel, how often use swap. For view swapiness type in terminal this, sudo sysctlvm.swapiness. In my case it is 60. Before change it, you know one thing. The higher value make access swap frequently, and lower value make avoid it as possible. So, now we need to decrease it. Just type sudo sysctlvm.swapiness equal to 10. And one more step to avoid this file or partition. Just go to etc fstab and if you see any file set with swap, just comment it. Okay, the second step is for ZRAM. ZRAM is a partition for swap. Type lsblk in terminal, you see ZRAM mounted as swap. We don't delete it, just forgot the information about ZRAM. Let's go. Just create one empty ZRAM generator with sudo touch / etc / syst / zram-generator.conf before we create it. Just check swap is present, type free h in terminal, you see the swap is present. Also check the ZRAM is present, type ZRAMCTL. It shows now everything is present. Come back to forgot it. Create empty ZRAM generator with sudo touch / etc / syst / zram-generator.conf. Every changes take effort after reboot. But why? We will see in future video. Now reboot it. After reboot, now we don't get the ZRAM information. So the swap is stopped. If you want back your swap, just the created empty file. And uncomment in etc fstab and set back value in swapiness. That's end of video. Thanks for watching.